Hi guys, so rainbow shots are fantastic for impressing your friends or selling a lot more shots in the venue that you work. It's really great for getting tips as well. There's a lot of videos on YouTube at the moment on how to make rainbow shots. It's kind of very time consuming layering. So I just want to show you today in my video a way to make rainbow shots that's a hell of a lot easier. Okay guys, welcome back. So if you like my video, please subscribe, hit that notification bell. We'd love to keep driving our subscribing list up. So I'm going to talk a little bit today about rainbow shots. There's a few videos out there that show the rainbow shots, how you layer every ingredient on top of each other into a shaker glass and then you pour it into the shot glasses. I thought of a way to make it a little bit easier when you're 4 deep at the bar. We don't have time to do that. And it's really, really simple. And all it is getting your shot glasses aligned. I like to use plastic shot glasses because the glass shot glasses, you can actually see the little trick to how I'm going to make these rainbow shots. And the trick is just using food dye. So by having a plastic shot glass, what happens is it's nice and flat at the bottom. You don't have that glass that sits on top, and it's a lot less chance of them being able to see the food dye. Really simple, yellow. Okay, you can buy these packs of food dyes at your supermarket. Green. Okay, what we do is at Manhattan Bar here in Geelong is we like to just put all the dye into the shot glasses, stack them up, so when the customer, or if you're making them for your friends, want some shots, you just lay them out and away you go. Don't go too crazy on it. I think I did about 3 drops in that one there. So they're all prepped, ready to go. And then all you do is you use your vodka, your tequila. I like to use a triple sec or a peach liqueur, something that's clear always. And as you can see, you get that visual effect. Most of the friends and customers don't notice how you've actually done it. And the beauty of it too is when I sell the shots, I say, look, you can't just have one rainbow shot, you've got to order about 5, so get your friends together so we can do a round of shots. And that can put at least another $50, $60 into your till. And also if they want to get you to do it again, I say, come on guys, happy to do a trick for you. However, you've got to give us a bit of a tip. Really simple guys, give it a try at home or at the workplace where you work. Cheers.